Are you losing tire pressure or constantly filling up your tires? You, my friend, might have a cracked wheel. Wow, check out that crack. It's leaking as we speak. Hi, I'm Fazel from Alloyfix. We are going to talk about cracked wheels, why they happen, why they're risky, and why we are the right team to go to get them fixed. So when it comes to your vehicle, your wheels hold a lot of responsibility. They're not just a surface you drive on. They ensure the safety, the handling, and the stability of your vehicle. But when your wheel is cracked, you compromise all of that. Whether it's from hitting a pothole or a curb, or even an impact from the road, can result in a safety risk. And here's the kicker, you guys. A cracked wheel isn't just risky, it's an instant MOT failure. And trust me, you don't want to be dealing with that when you're doing inspection. Besides failing your MOT, a cracked wheel will weaken the strength of the alloy, resulting into slow leaks and you constantly filling up your tires with air. Ignore that and that crack will expand, leading to a blowout, expensive damages down the line, and even putting yours and others' lives at risk. Not worth it. Now here's where we come in. At Alloyfix, we're not just any wheel repair company. We are one of the only repair companies that give you a whole year warranty on your crack repair. Yes, you've heard that right. A whole year warranty on your crack repairs. Our expert welders use top-grade equipment to repair your crack with precision. It's not just a quick fix, it's a high-quality weld that restores the strength of your wheel, keeping you safe and helping you pass that MOT with flying colours. So with the UK roads being the way they are, it's very easy to hit a pothole or hit a curb and bang, you've got yourself a crack. But just keep an eye out, and if your wheels are losing air, anything of that sort, it might be time to visit Alloyfix. So to avoid any mishaps and even an MOT failure, come and visit us. We'll get you back on the road safely, and as we provide 1 year warranty for a peace of mind, as we believe in quality that lasts.